What are you at now, Ed?
217, 218, something like that.
All right.
Getting there.
Oh, yeah?
Slowly but surely. How you doing?
I'm here.
All right.
52 hours in. I'm getting close to 150, but I haven't seen the board in a while. I think I'm going to go off campus and get something to eat. Have a good one. See you tonight. Hopefully we stay dry.
Oh, it's supposed to rain tonight?
50%. She's all dressed up, ready to go. Hey guys. Hey.
Hey, what's happening?
Woo-hoo. Look at those clouds. Earlier it was nice breeze and nice, and then the clouds came and it's a little bit sticky. I guess I got some college football tomorrow. Might be wet.